Okay, welcome everyone. Today is Thursday. It's October 11th of 2018, and this is a recap of the daily trades that I made in chat today. These are all live trades that my students watch me make every single day. They watch me make these trades. And today was a combination, once again, of my core strategy and my what I call the nibble strategy. And I set off today with another once and done. So that's 4 once and done this week. So the once and dones are just continuing the hammered out here, which is awesome. What a once and done means is you set your objective, and you set your objective in increments of 50. Okay, so what that means is that you start off with a daily objective of 50, and once you can make $50 every single day, then you start increasing that objective, and you can increase that objective one of two ways. You can go ahead and you can put 2 contracts on and try to trade for a once and done, or you can go ahead and do a once and done and at 50 and then use the nibble to make the other 50. It's certainly up to you. But nonetheless, I'm going to show you this once and done and what I did here. This is actually, let me come up right over here. Now this is going to be on the Aussie. I sold the Aussie this morning at 9:06, and I have an acronym that I call CEPS, C-E-P-S. What that stands for correlation, ease of movement, my pairing pattern, and then I select the proper strike, and everything was lined up perfectly today to warrant putting a short position on for this once and done, and that's what I did. And this is the actual 5-minute chart of here, and this is of course all 5-minute binaries that I trade. This is a 5-minute chart of the Aussie 5-minute, and this is the 1 minute of the Aussie of 1 minute, and this is the exact minute that I entered this position. This was on the 1 minute after that 5-minute binary opened up, and 3 minutes later it turned out to be a really nice profit, and that's how I ended up making my initial trade. And I got a little bit better than 52 today. I got in at, I think it was it was at 55 that I actually got in on that Aussie. So that was a nice $53 day today. So, and then of course the rest of the day I came in and I had a few more trades on the core strategy, and I had some trades on the nibble strategy. And after such a big day yesterday of $1,900, I mentioned in my last video that I like to be a little bit more conservative the next day because it tends to get choppy. Well, gosh, I think I probably could have hit this day a little heavier today too, because everything was just working left and right. But nonetheless, I did go pretty light here, and I ended up making $4.95 by about 3 o'clock. So I pretty much trade from any time between 8 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon Central Time, and then I pretty much call it a day. And I'll come in sometimes and trade at night as well, because the markets are always offering opportunities to make money, particularly with the nibble strategy. The nibble strategy is, I call it the crystal ball because of the accuracy of how it predicts the markets and where it wants to go. And I'm going to be doing another video kind of show everybody just how it really, not necessarily get into the details of it, but to show how predictable it can tell us which way this market wants to go over a short period of time. So be looking for that video. But nonetheless, that's it. Tomorrow's going to be Friday. Once again, Fridays can be really crazy, so going to be watching it tomorrow. I'm going extremely light tomorrow as well because I've had such a strong week. And I will do my next update after my trading on Friday. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the course strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So, nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.